Hey, it's Matt with Magee Farms, and I'm down on our farm right now and was going to talk a little bit about a little extra income that we get on the farm, something I ran across, what you call it, a side hustle, but it's something we ran across this summer, and it's been kind of nice. It adds an extra $100–200 a month sometimes to income that we get on the farm. And just wanted to share it with you. It's called Sniffspot, and they're not sponsoring me. Not paying for this or anything. It's just an app that I ran across. And what it is you've got people that have dogs, which I love dogs, as you can probably tell from the videos that I post, that basically rent out your place to people to bring their dogs out to kind of run around. If you've got creeks, if you've got lakes, the dogs can swim. And just basically they can run around without a leash. Now, I'm about an hour to an hour and a half outside of St. Louis, Missouri, about an hour and a half from Columbia and Jeff City, Missouri. So it's a little bit of a drive to get down here, but I've gotten quite a few people and a lot of regulars that do keep coming back. And, you know, you go to a dog park. If you live in the city, you got a dog, you're a dog person. You know, you go to the dog parks, but the city dog parks, you know, people with their aggressive dogs, people that you really don't want to deal with are coming out there, and it kind of gets to be a pain. So with this, you know, it's $10 a dog per hour. People will come out and they run the farm. It's, you know, a day I end up, you know, working around the barn or working other places and just kind of stay out of their way. And it's worked out really good. So if you've got areas like our creek here, you know, our dogs love being down here. And we've got one that's actually getting ready to show up here in about 15–20 minutes. This is about their 4th time that they've been down here, and their dog absolutely loves the place. But you know, we got the creek here. You wander through the creek. We're kind of in a drought, but this creek is fortunate enough that it keeps water most of the time. We got a couple of lakes that they swim in, and then we got hiking trails. And really all that's required with me is I hop on the tractor with the brush hog and just kind of knock down some trails so they can hike around and just kind of stay away and let them do their thing. And it's worked out really good. I will see if I can put a link to the app. And if you're, you know, in Missouri, around Columbia, St. Louis, you got a dog, you want to get your dog out there, check us out on Sniffspot. I think it's listed as Williams 300 acre, 200 acre. I think we could just have 200 acres set aside for the dog park bid. But Williams 200 acre dog park. You can bring your dog up here. You can run around with no leash on. Might see some deer, might see some turkey, might not. But your dog can be a dog. And plus, you can kind of get out and get a little hiking in too. I think some of the people that come up, you know, it'll be couples. It's kind of a little hiking date. Even had one group came up with their dog in the 95+ degree summertime when it was hot, and they had their kids with them, and I think they were really just wanting their kids to be able to swim in a creek, but hey, that's fine. I mean, they were nice people, and they were nice to have. And the nice thing with this Sniffspot app too is they have liability insurance, so if somebody were to get hurt, then you know, at least they've got the insurance that kind of covers it too. So we're going to head up to our campground staging area. And like I said, we should have some people showing up here in about 10–15 minutes with Wolfie, one of our regulars here. That's a little bit about the Sniffspot app. I'm going to share some footage of the dogs running around and some pictures some of our guests have taken of their dogs while they're up. And I'll give some links to this, and also, if you're interested, if you're around St. Louis or Northeast Missouri and you want a place to bring your dog out, come check us out. We're on there as well. It's Matt from Magee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. Or find us on Sniffspot. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.